Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to save a PDF of a web page. To save a PDF of a web page, you can do the following. Open your web browser, Google Chrome or Opera. Open the print menu by pressing Ctrl P. Under the printer drop-down menu, select Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Click on Print or Save when prompted. Choose where do you want to save the file. Important note, if you have older version of Windows, download Google Chrome browser, which provides its own Save as PDF option. That's it, very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.